This is going to blow your mind. Your stomach growls because it's basically a noisy, gurgling machine. So here's the deal. When you're hungry, your brain sends a, "Hey, it's chow time," signal to your stomach. This triggers muscles in your stomach and intestines to contract. These contractions, called peristalsis, mix and move food, gas and fluids through your digestive tract. But when your stomach's empty, it's just air and digestive juices sloshing around, creating those growls we all know too well. It's like your body's way of saying, "Feed me, please." Next time your stomach rumbles in a quiet room, you'll know it's just your body's quirky way of calling for a snack.